every OPC server will provide you diagnostic tags about each of the devices that they're connected to. That way you can determine if it's connected, as well as maybe see some information like throughput, as well as maybe information about the actual PLC itself. Ignition's OPC UA server especially exposes these diagnostic tags. We can actually use those tags in Ignition by dragging them into our tag browser. And we do that by going and first browsing the OPC UA servers. So here you can see Ignition and Kepware. If I expand Ignition, for every device we have in Ignition, there will be a special folder called Diagnostics. This will give us tags that we can work with in Ignition. If I expand that for the ControlLogix, I can see this is connected tag. So every device are going to have an is connected, a host name, device name, a way of sort of seeing some basic information about every device. The is connected flag, if I drag it into the tag browser, will let me know if I'm actually connected to that PLC or not. We can use this tag to display status on a screen, as well as do alarming and history on this tag. Certain devices will expose more than just if they're connected. Like the ControlLogix that I have here will also expose the edit number and the serial number and the status and maybe the major and minor revision of that PLC program. Whereas a MicroLogix, it wouldn't have that. It just simply is going to have the basic am I connected, and it also has a request folder. Most devices have a request folder where we can see the last duration and the max duration and the throughput to that device to see how long messages are taking to go back and forth. So once we drag these tags into Ignition, we can work with them on screens. The most common case is to take the is connected flags and use those on screen. So if I create a window here, a very common is to use a graphic or some sort of indication. Like if I take a circle and draw on the screen, I can link that circle, the fill paint property. I can drag the is connected down to the fill paint, and if it is 0, meaning it's not connected, I'll make it red, and if it is connected, I'll make the color green. And so now I can have a status on the screen to tell me if I'm connected to these PLCs or not. So the device diagnostic tags are really important, and you can just drag them in to make use of them in your project.